And part of a buyer's tour can involve a little bit of waiting depending on your timing. So I stopped at the local and I bought some moving cards. So some people are in for some great moving gifts and some hilarious moving cards. On to the next stop. That was a great showing. I'm going to give the property an 8 out of 10 because it was nearly everything that we wanted, and maybe a couple of things that needed a little bit of edit, but nothing we couldn't work around. 2, I'm going to give the agent a 10 out of 10. That agent had shown up early, and I mean early because we were early, and he had turned on every light and everything looked beautifully displayed. The property was spotlessly clean, and that is the way to sell a property. And he kept out of our way so we could have our emotional moment in the property. Great agent, great job. Let's go on to the next. Feng Shui seems to be a problem. And that was it. We're going to be writing on the property with the trees. It fit all of the needs. It was the nicest one that we saw today. When you have somebody that needs to move, and you know how much they have to spend, and you know what it is that they're exactly looking for, I think what you're going to find is that most people don't have that many options. So get home and write that up.